Hi everybody, this is 7th grade science for September 14th. I'm Mr. Sheridan. This is our instructional video for today. So I'm going to go through this very quickly. We spent most of class today just reviewing kind of where you need to go to turn things in, what you need, what your expectations are for your vocabulary list. So we're going to run through those very quickly here so that you can go back and you can slow this down. You can pause the video, however you need to do. But I'm going to share my video. So if you start in your Google Classroom, if we go to our classwork section, I need to move this out of the way. So if we are going to, first of all, let's go to our ecosystems list in our, this would be the first assignment that we were supposed to do in CK12 last week. So for any of these assignments, you need to read it, you need to watch the video, and you need to do the practice quiz. Once you do the practice quiz, you need to come back to this page, and there needs to be a banner across the top that says turn in. If it's not there, then you need to try something different. One of the things that we find has been working well when you're back in Google Classroom, when you click on this, if you're on your iPad, it will give you an option of which browser you want to open in. It'll say Chrome or Safari. If you open it in Safari, sometimes that will help. And then when you come back from the quiz, you come back to this page, it'll say turn it in across that banner. Now, on your vocabulary sheet, the expectation is that you list every single one of these bolded words that are in each one of these readings, okay? So you're going to sit, the first one I did for you was called ecology. And the definition of ecology is the study of ecosystems. The next one is ecosystem. Now we need to define that word. So you need to read this article or this paragraph, figure out what ecosystem means, and write that definition on your vocabulary sheet. So the same goes for, so these are the words that we need you to define. I'm going to run through them right now really fast, and then you can come back to this page if you, or you can rewind the video if you need to. So the words that you need are ecology, ecosystem, habitat, biotic factors, populations, abiotic factors, photosynthesis, you'll see that that's bolded even though it's green, producers, consumers, and biogeochemical cycles. That's all from this assignment. The next assignment, there's only one word that you need to have on your vocab sheet, which is niche. And the last assignment that we did on biomes, the words that you need to define are biome, community. We've done abiotic factors on another page. You need to define climate. That's the next one, climate. You also need to define terrestrial biomes, aquatic biomes, and migration. Those are the only ones because we did habitat already. So those are the words that you need to define. You need to have all of those on your vocabulary sheet, and you need to have definitions next to them. Tomorrow, we are going to join Mr. Felsing's class. So there'll be a link on our stream. It'll be right here next to in the stream. It'll be up here. So I'm going to include a stream to Mr. Felsing's Zoom class. And when you come in, instead of clicking on mine like normal, right at 12:35 at exactly the same time, you're going to click on Mr. Felsing's Zoom call. I'm going to stay in our class and just make sure that nobody jumps in there. And then I'll be joining you in Mr. Felsing's class to, we're going to do some Kahoots. We're going to go over the vocabulary. We're going to study these words so that we're all on the same page. Please send me an email if you have any issues at all with your either turning in assignments in CK12 or doing your vocabulary, and I'll be happy to help you. Have a wonderful day. Talk to you soon.